This is a portable, lightweight, collapsible trolley. The trolley folds down to 60 millimeters thick, half a meter wide by 3/4 of a meter high, and it weighs under 4 kilograms. Therefore, this is ideal to store in the boot of your car, behind the seat, or even in locations where storage space is limited. As you fold the front flap down so the wheels pop out and you pull the handle up to lock into place. The trolley can handle a maximum capacity of 100 kilograms. Now that's equivalent to 4 25-litre containers of water. It also has a bungee strap to help secure the load. The trolley is made of steel, aluminium and plastic to optimize weight and strength. If you like this product information, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our channel where you'll get notifications of similar products coming out with all the tips and tricks.